Blog Talk Radio.
Check out the full episode of this on Mental Like Patreon. What is the push toward power? What do I mean by that? We have to push past our limitations. That's what I mean by that. In very real and simple terms, we have to push past our limitations, meaning our limits in which we thought that we had a, limit to or a barrier to or something like that, for greatness. Not talking about pushing past our boundaries toward degeneracy. I'm talking about pushing past our boundaries so that we can move forward as a living power collectively. In other words, all of the old mentality that we had left behind that kept us working together, kept us from working together as a people, that kept us from unifying, coming together as a people, we got to put all of that aside, man. All that has to go to the wayside. And we have to push toward a better tomorrow for the future of our seed, for our children, for our future progeny, for our ascension. We have to push toward a better tomorrow, the next day. And in pushing towards the next day, we become the next people. You see, this is why I gave us a whole next identification and renewed ones that were constantly or continuously open. I wanted to make sure on this ascension that we push towards something the highest state of power that we could possibly push toward, and even push past the highest power in this three-dimensional realm, which is the beast. That is our trajectory, to push past the beast. We already leveling up. We're already leveling up in the third dimension. We are leveling up in the third dimension, meaning those of our people who are coming out of the here out, who are coming into the American Republic for the redefinition of ourselves, the redefinitive version of ourselves is coming out, redefining ourselves as Americans. As Americans, as the real Americans, which makes sense that we start to channel power in our nation, which is America. Forget about the powers that be. This is about the powers that will be. Forget about the powers that be. This is about the powers that will be. And the powers that will be will start with us.
For the complete broadcast, you're going to have to go to Mental Like Patreon. Go to Mental Like Patreon for this complete broadcast, because it will not, I guarantee you, it will not be on YouTube. Subscribe to Mental Like Patreon and join the American Republic. And subscribe to High and Mighty Talks on YouTube with Newbie Minkari.